Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sivathmika Chavali. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today, this is the lead code problem of the day. So let's start the video. And this is day 10 of being productive in coding. I'm so happy that I maintained streak and consistency in coding. So let's continue with this problem today. And this is an easy problem. Let's see. Given a binary string without s without leading zeros. Okay, so okay, let's see the examples here. Leading zeros are there, so they returned false. Here leading zeros are not there, so they return true. Okay, that means you can see 0 1 should not be there. Let's see with the test cases. For sample purpose I am giving true, return true. If I keep 0 1 leading 0, then leading zeros. Okay. My test case is invalid. Starting should not be 0, I guess. Okay. This is false. It should return false. Okay. Again, let's do it. Let's take another test case. If it has like this and like this, suppose this is the test case means I think this is true. Yes. This test case is true. Okay. At most one continuous segment of ones. Got it. So basically, in this string, we need to return true if it does not has 0 1 sequence. See here in this example, 0 1 is there. Immediately we need to return false. And here in this example too, 0 1 is not there. So this is valid string and we return true. Let's take our examples. This is our own example. 0 1 is there, so expected is false, and I have given 0 1. In another test case I didn't take 0 1, so it returned true. In this way we need to do the problem. Let's solve it. So they have given string as. Now how can we do? Let's take while loop. While, let's take one pointer start equal to 0 and let another pointer be start and next. Let's take next equal to 1. See, start pointer is pointing to the 0th index and next pointer is pointing to the first index. Okay, now next less than s dot length. Next should be less than s dot length, string dot length. Now we need to check if s dot char at start is equal to 0 and s dot char at next is equal to 1 means, if it is like this means simply return false, no need to check another condition. Then we need to increment the both the start and next count. Okay, return true. Let's execute the code. Oh, it passed. Even constraints are also very small. Got it here. S of 0 starting should always 1 here. They mention. So S of 0 is 1. Let's see hints. It's guaranteed to have at least one segment. The string size is small, so you can count all segments of ones with no that have no adjacent ones. Okay. Let's submit the code. It passed. Completion streak 1 day. Okay, fine. So that's it today's guys. This is the coding, and with this problem I have completed the day 10 of being productive in coding. I will give this problem link in the description. Please check out it. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel.